Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Students, how are you all? Okay, so student, today I'm going to tell you about patterns. Walaikum salam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Our today's topic is pattern.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what are patterns, students? Shapes, the shapes, numbers, and figures, or you can say pictures, are repeated in a particular sequence. You can take out your notebook and copy it. The shapes, numbers, and pictures are repeated in a particular sequence. It's called pattern. So, student, we can use shapes, numbers, and pictures to make patterns. Look at this pattern. This is a tree, okay? It's a flower, okay? Then again tree, then again flower, so this tree and flower is repeating again and again, okay? Tree and flower is repeating again and again. It is forming pattern, okay? They are repeated in a sequence. First, which one is coming first? Tree, okay? Tree is coming first, then flower, okay? Then again tree, flower, again tree, flower. This is forming a pattern, okay? Now let's take this one. It's a triangle, then circle, then again triangle, then circle. So it is also forming a pattern. Okay, if I ask you what will come after circle, yes, tell me student, what will come after? Yes, very good. So this, in this pattern we are using a triangle and a circle. Okay, so triangle and circle are repeated again and again. Triangle, circle, then triangle, circle, then what will come? Triangle and then circle. Okay, this is forming a pattern. Let's see this one. It is a T. Okay, it is inverted T, T, then inverted T. Okay, this is also forming a pattern. This is T, then what comes after this? What is coming? Inverted T. Okay, T and inverted T is forming pattern by repeating itself again and again. So tell me what will come in the blank. Yes, very good. Yes, this T, then inverted T, then T, and then inverted T, then what will come? Again T will come. Okay, so this is forming a pattern. Okay, T and inverted T is repeating itself again and again. Okay, it is forming a pattern. This is 2. Okay, this is inverted 2, sorry, reverse 2. Okay, 2, reverse 2, 2, and then reverse 2. So this is also forming a pattern. So student, we can use symbols also, we can use numbers also to make patterns. Okay, we can use shapes, letters also we can use to make patterns. So note it down quickly in your notebook. Everyone note it down in your notebook. Student, I have shared this page on WhatsApp. Okay, you can copy from there also. Now let's take more examples. Now I am using some numbers to make a pattern. Okay. Now look at this pattern. It is made up of numbers. Okay, first number is 5, then 10, then 15. Okay, so if you observe this very carefully, you will find that it is skipping counting of 5. Okay, we are adding 5 in each number each time. First 5, then 5 plus 5, 10. Okay, then again add 5 in this, we'll get 15. Okay, so next number will be
Sir, 20. Sir, 20. 25. 20. Sir, 25.
very good, very good.
Sir, 20.
So each time we are adding 5 in this series. Okay, so next number will come after 15. Yes, 20. Okay, add 5 in 15, so we'll get 20, and next number will be 25. Okay, so this is a pattern using numbers. Let's take another example. First number is 10, then 20, 30, yes, this is skip counting in tens. Okay, here we are adding 10 again and again in each number. First number is 10, then add 10 in this, so we will get 20. In 20 we will add 10, then we will get 30, then again we will add 10 in this. What we will get?
40.
Yes, yes, first number is 10, then 20, 30, and then 40. Okay, then 50. So this is also forming a pattern. Yes, now look at this pattern. This pattern is made with a capital letter and a small letter. Okay, First letter is capital and then small. Okay, so first A is there. Okay, capital A, then small a, then capital B, small b, then capital C, small c, and then what will come, students, after this? Yes, so observe the pattern very carefully, then you will get the answer. Okay, so first letter is capital and the second one is small letter. Okay, we can't take small letter first like this. Okay, this will not come in this pattern. Okay, first is small then capital. No, we have taken first capital and then small. So that will be another pattern if I take a small letter first, like I'm taking E. Okay, then capital E, small f, capital F. This will be another pattern. Okay, but in this pattern I have taken first capital letter and then small letter. Okay, so A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c, then capital D, capital D, small d. Okay, then after D what will come? E, capital E first, then small e. Okay, now look at this pattern. Yes, it is made up of, this pattern is made up of a letter and a number. Okay, by the combination of letter and number, this pattern is made up of. Okay, so first letter is A. Okay, and the number 4, A4. Then after A what will come? B. Okay, and here with B 8 is coming. In first element I have taken 4, in second element it is becoming 8, means skip count in 4, or you can say we have added 4 in this first one. Okay, 4 plus 4 8, then after B C will come, then again we will add 4 in 8, so it will become 12. Okay, 4 8 12. So in numbers we are adding 4 4 again and again. Okay, so first letter is A, number is 4, A4, B8, C12. Then after C what will come, students? D. Okay, after C D will come, and with D which number will come? After 12 what will come? We will add 4 again in 12, so we'll get 16, because in numbers we are adding 4 4. Okay, first number is 4, then second 8, then 12, then again we will add 4, it will become 16. So D 16. Now tell me next number, next letter and number of this pattern. Very good. Mashallah, very good. So after D what is coming? E. Okay, E will come after D. Then what number will come? Tell me the number.
E20. That's 20.
Yes.
That's 20.
E20, because we are adding 4 each time. Okay, so in 16 we will add 4, so it will become 20. So first term is A4, then B8, then C12, then D16, and at last E20. And you can write, you can add more on in this if you want. Now look at this. This pattern is made up of a number and a shape. Yes, this pattern is made up of a number and a shape. Okay, so first element is made up of 2 and a triangle. Okay, in first element what is there? 2 and a triangle, and next element 4 and a sphere. Okay, and the third one is 6 and a triangle. So triangle is repeated here. Okay, and the numbers are in skip these are numbers given like skip count in twos. Okay, we write skip count in twos like 2, 4, 6, 8 like this. So these numbers are given like this. First number is 2, then 4, then 6, and then what will come, students? Yes, very good. So in first element 2 is there, in second one 4. Okay, and then 6. So it is skip count in twos. We are adding 2 again and again. First one 2. If you add 2 in 2 you will get 4. If you add 2 again in 4 you will get 6. Then add 2 again, it will become 8. Okay, then what shape will come here? First shape is triangle, then a sphere, then a triangle, and then a sphere will come here. Okay, and tell me the last one. Yes. Very good. So again we will add 2 in 8. So if you add 2 in 8 you will get 10. Okay, and which shape you will make? In the previous one it is sphere. Okay, after sphere what will come? A triangle. Okay, so 2 triangle, 4 sphere, 6 triangle, 8 sphere, 10 triangle. Okay, so here numbers are not repeating. Okay, numbers are not repeating in this pattern. First number is 2, then 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 and so on, but here shapes are repeating. Okay, in first you have to take a triangle, then with second number you have to take a sphere, then triangle, then a sphere. So these are shapes are repeating, but numbers are not repeating. I hope you all have understood. Yes, student, everyone understood?
Yes, sir, I am understood. Yes, sir, I am understood. Yes, sir, I have understood. Yes, sir, I have understood.
Have you copied? Yes, everyone copied this?
I am understood. Yes, sir. No, sir.
Okay, I will share this on WhatsApp, okay? Now, open page number 58. Everyone open your books and open page number 58. So here also some examples given. Patterns with shapes. So first pattern is made up of two circles and a star. Okay. So first circle is of yellow color. Second one is of, yes, which color it is? Violet. It is of red color. Okay. So yellow, then red, yellow circle, then red circle, and then a star, blue star. Okay. Then a triangle with green color. Okay. So look here again, here yellow color, yellow circle is repeating here. So it means this pattern is made up of a yellow circle, a red circle, a blue star, a green triangle. Okay, then again this series is repeating itself. Look here, yellow circle, then red circle, then star, then a triangle. Okay, so this is a pattern, this is forming a pattern. So in this, four elements are repeating itself again and again. Okay, four elements. What are they? Two circles, a star, a triangle. Okay, these four are repeating again and again. Now in second pattern is made up of three triangles and one star. Okay, so three triangles and one star. Here also it is repeating itself. First triangle is of violet color, then blue color, then green color triangle, and then a star of yellow color. Okay, then again this first one is repeating from here. So in this series only four elements are there, three triangles and one star, and then again three triangle and one star is repeating itself. Okay, so this is forming a pattern. Now everyone come on exercise 4.3. Exercise 4.3, question number 1. Draw the next four shapes to continue the following pattern. So this pattern is giving, okay, so this pattern is forming with 2 by 2 circles, 2 squares. Okay, so first one is purple circle, then red circle, then a green square, then yellow square, then this one is repeating. Okay, from here it is repeating. This purple circle is repeating from here. Then what will come next after purple? What is coming? Red circle. So we will put red circle here. Okay, will make a circle with red color. So what will come next, students? Tell me.
Green square.
Yes, very good. So after this red circle, square is coming, green square. So we'll make here square. Yes.
Sir, I have done this page.
So green square will come here.
Sir,
Yes, beta. Just listen carefully.
I have done.
Okay, listen.
No, sir.
Then after what will come, students? After this what will come? Yes, very good.
Yes, sir, yellow and square. Yellow square.
Yellow square will come here. Okay, because after green square, yellow colored square is given. Okay, so we'll fill yellow color in this. Then what will come after this? Again, a circle will come. Okay, which circle will come? Which colored circle?
Sir, purple square. Square.
Purple circle. Yes, very good.
Purple.
So purple circle will come here. So you can fill purple color because I don't have purple color here. Okay, students. So like this you have to complete this pattern. Okay. You have to make 4 shapes to continue this pattern. In second one you have a triangle and a diamond, then a circle, then a triangle. Okay. So time is also going to finish here. Student, now listen this one also. Look here at down, fill in the next number in the blank space. Okay, this question, I think this is example. Leave this is an example and answers are also given on the next page of this. So just complete this question number 1 and share on WhatsApp, okay? And share your work whatever you have written in your notebook also. Okay, students?